To download TurboTax 2025, start by visiting the official TurboTax website. This is the safest and most reliable way to obtain the software. Once on the website, click on the Products or Downloads tab to view the available options. TurboTax offers different versions of their software, including Deluxe, Premier, and Self-Employed. Choose the version that best fits your tax needs. If you are unsure, you can use the product comparison tool to help make a decision. After selecting the desired version, click the Buy Now or Download button to proceed to the checkout process. You will need to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and payment details. Once you have completed the checkout process, you will be directed to the download page. Click the download button to start the download process. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection speed. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install TurboTax 2025 on your computer. Make sure to read and agree to the license agreement and choose the installation location. During the installation process, you may be prompted to install additional tools or updates. It is recommended that you install these to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Once the installation is complete, launch TurboTax 2025 and sign in to your account. You can then begin preparing your tax return. If you need help or have questions, TurboTax offers support options, including online chat, phone, and email support. It is essential to keep your TurboTax software up to date to ensure you have the latest tax laws and regulations. You can check for updates within the software by going to the Help menu and selecting Check for Updates. By following these steps, you can easily download and install TurboTax 2025. Remember to always download software from the official website to avoid any potential risks or security threats.